Sawadee-ka! I'm here at Tiffany Moon's house. If you don't know her, I'm so excited. She is a Dallas Housewives. If you haven't watched it, you need to. An amazing TikToker, but most importantly, a mom, entrepreneur, really speaks to my soul. So let's go tie things up. Okay, I love this sign already. Definitely we know we're coming to an Asian house.
Hi! The chef has arrived.
I'm so excited to be here.
Yay! Thank you for coming. I'm so excited.
Definitely taking my shoes off, I know.
Yes, please.
Asian house.
I know. Welcome to the kitchen.
Oh, my favorite place in the house.
I can't say the same.
you.
I would choose the closet. But
Ooh,
yes.
maybe we should cook in your closet.
No, let's not cook in there.
Here is our beautiful.
Yeah, I don't really know what's in here.
Okay, then I'm gonna have you explore.
I'm not really the chef of our family, nor am I responsible for the grocery shopping.
I love that it's gonna be a surprise for both of us.
What do you
I'm
think?
like, what
We have
time
a
should we
lot
go?
of sauces, basically a door panel full of sauces. We always keep fresh fruit and vegetables, so I think we should be good there.
Definitely.
My husband is doing keto, so we have a lot of greens, we have a lot of eggs. He ends up eating a lot of eggs, lots of cheese.
I see.
This is
Ooh.
shrimp and then some ground pork.
Yes.
We always have
wow.
tomatoes, cucumbers, we season everything, right? Like Chinese cooking, it's like lots of green onions,
Yes.
cilantro.
Yes. And so what? You have
Yeah,
a papaya?
we have a papaya, yeah.
Tell me more.
One of my favorite dishes is papaya salad, Thai
Okay.
style, that you make
Ooh.
in the mortar and pestle
Yes.
with fish sauce. And peanuts.
Sounds
and
like you know how to
long
make
green
this.
beans. I just eat it. I don't
Okay.
really make it.
You want to learn how to make it?
Yes.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll
Yeah.
figure something out.
And
I see
then
it's very
greens, cauliflower,
I love cauliflower. As I
and
play
cauliflower
with the
rice.
picture.
Yep. We also have
gonna play with
cauliflower
this.
pizza things, right? He's trying to replace all his
Yes.
things with cauliflower.
I love. Tiffany, I'm so honored to be here in your kitchen.
I don't really know how to cook, so I'm excited to learn.
I'm excited to teach you, but I think we're gonna learn this together. More than anything, this might look overwhelming because you said like, I don't know what's in your fridge. I think we found quite a lot of stuff. We are gonna try to create 3 recipes.
Oh, I thought we were just doing 2. We're like overachievers already.
Already. I think that's what you bring out of me. And I'm like,
You're like, she can handle it. Let's do 3.
I think you can.
Okay.
Are we cool?
I'm ready, chef.
Okay, yes! So what we're gonna do, we're gonna split this up into 2 episodes. We're gonna do 3 recipes, and we're gonna first do the papaya salad, since she said it's one of her favorite dishes of all time, also my favorite. And the cauliflower fried rice we're gonna make, inspired by the food to your man's heart. And we're gonna make it low carb, low sugar. And we're gonna make some dumplings, because I think that also like goes back to both of our roots, and it's gonna be amazing.
Yes, that's our comfort food, dumplings. Yes.
We now have our beautiful papaya.
Yes.
Do you know how to work?
No. I was afraid you might ask that.
How were you introduced to papaya salad?
Oh, so I have a Thai au pair, and she's from Thailand. She's basically like a foreign exchange student. So she lived with us, introduced me to Thai papaya salad, and after that I would like have to have it every week.
day.
And now my kids are obsessed with fish sauce.
Even your kids?
They put it on their rice. It's like rice with fish sauce.
Yes.
They call it like khao kuk nam pla.
Yes, wait, you know so much Thai. I think you were probably Thai in one of your past lives.
I think Korean in one past life and Thai in another past
Yes.
life. And a
Coordinating
white
as
valley
Asians.
girl in another past life.
I love that.
And a gay man in another past life. But now they all are embodied
Embodied
within
into one.
me.
It's a great combination.
Yes, but explain to the viewers what green papaya is, because I feel like when people say papaya, they think the orange one with the yellow skin.
This is a green papaya. So basically it is the more raw form of the papaya. When it's ripened, it will turn orange, and simply there's two ways. There's like the authentic way
Okay.
to like shred the situation,
Uh-huh.
or like the way that I love, which is this. And of
okay.
course, she had this.
But I don't know what this is. She's like, oh, you have one of these. And I'm like, uh-huh.
All we're doing is peeling
Oh.
and shredding at the same time.
Oh.
So obviously, I don't want this outside peel, but it automatically will give you like a beautiful like line. And all I'm doing is taking the peel out, and this is just half. And I'm taking off all the peel.
The green, the outside.
Doesn't taste so good.
Yeah.
Does not taste so good. Now we're just gonna peel,
Oh.
and now we have our beautiful strips.
Okay, let me try.
You ready?
I'm ready. I'd hold it like a baby.
Yes, it is. It's like a 3-pound baby.
It is. I just don't understand how this green papaya then turns into like the sweet red orange papaya. Because this is like a vegetable and like that's a fruit, but it's not. It's a fruit salad.
It is a fruit salad. And in Thailand, we actually do this with fruit too.
Oh, really?
It is so good. You kind of combine all the spicy, the salty, the sweet, and the sour.
And the fish sauce.
And the fish sauce.
Fish sauce is the key
The
ingredient.
fish sauce is the key ingredient, which she also has in her household. In addition to the real palm sugar with the red lid situation. I mean, this is not easy to find.
I know, I'm like, no, it has to be the one with the red lid. And then this one, it has to be the one with the little crabs.
Yes.
I don't know.
It's a 3-crab brand. Well, you are.
Am I doing good?
Good job.
Is it supposed to be like that?
I love
I think
it.
that's enough.
I think we're good. The other way, which is like the hardcore old school way, I'm glad you're here. So what we're gonna do is literally just kind of like,
Oh.
but don't chop your fingers.
Oh, that looks.
Once you have better control, so you'll have like bigger strips as it flies away, which is it's actually very satisfying. Do you want to try?
No.
This? Okay, we're good. And then here, we do this.
Oh.
Same. So, let's say you were going to go impress somebody at their own house. Like, oh my God, I want to make you papaya salad.
You do
here we
it
go.
that way?
We do it this
but
way.
It's more chunky.
They're more chunky. Here, try this crunch versus that crunch. How about
Oh, yeah.
that? It gives it like you can hear it.
Yeah.
It's like a different.
It's a more substantial crunch, like a cucumber wedge, as opposed to like a shred.
It's almost like a personal preference. What kind of noodles you like? The skinny, the thick. Same thing with papaya salad. So now I'm ready to put this all together. We're gonna start off with garlic.
Garlic makes everything be better.
Be better.
Yeah.
It's for sure.
Yeah.
Ooh, you like spicy?
I like spicy.
It's going in.
Okay. Is that the right chili pepper kind?
It is the perfect.
It's Thai chili pepper.
It is a Thai chili pepper.
Okay.
Prik kinu.
Oh.
Red one.
Okay.
It's gonna be good.
Oh, you're really getting in there.
But look, we are definitely protecting your counter.
No, this is good. We should make everything with a mortar and pestle. Oh,
And you
it
can
smells
smell.
good.
So the aromatics that come out of this
Yep.
is amazing. Now we got spicy.
Yep.
Garlic and chili. I'm gonna add some fresh lime juice. Aromatically?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aromatic.
Aromatically.
Oh.
Is that a word?
Yeah, I think so.
You should use it on all your candles.
Oh yeah, this is aromatically pleasing to your senses.
Yeah. I'm actually really calm and collected. And I was reading, just standing right here, it says prescription only, prescribed with love by Dr. Moon.
Yes. This is the cooking candle.
I
Then
love
there's a working candle for like when I need to write papers, do emails, and that scent is like energizing, like time to get to work.
Yes.
Then there's a relaxing candle for when I take a bath and I'm just trying to unwind. I had a bad day at the hospital.
I love that.
And then there's a sexy time candle.
I need all 4.
We'll
It's
get
like
you
a
the
full
multi-pack.
collection.
Yes.
Ooh.
Yes. Yeah. The aromasthesia collection. You shall have.
Anesthesia collection.
Yeah.
Now we're adding some tomatoes.
Yes.
You can cut these in half or not. And then your favorite thing in the whole world?
Fish sauce.
Yes. ข้าวคลุกน้ำปลา
Yes. My
I
kids
love that
love
you can say that. And then we're gonna add some palm sugar, like the real authentic kind, y'all. So sometimes if you don't get the red lid one, which is not always easy to find.
I know.
They come much harder, but this is like very fresh.
Yeah.
And it actually has a lower glycemic, I guess,
Index than cane sugar, than
Yes.
white, like sugar.
Yes.
Yes.
Which, it's good for everyone.
Yeah.
And all natural.
And it's just a little bit of sweetness. It's not like that sweet.
What else have I put in? I think I put sweet, sour, spicy. Yes.
Yeah, this is for
Let's put some of
color
that,
and a
some
little
color.
crunch. Yes, we
love
like
that. And then
And
now
then-
the papaya.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put both of them in.
Yeah, I like
This way
that.
you get to see which one you like more.
That's fun.
Who knows?
And then just drop it in?
Yes, drop it in.
Is that enough?
Give me more.
Okay.
I need a spoon. Like the real traditional way, like how the grandmas and they're making.
Yeah.
You kind of go on one side and you use the
Flip
spoon.
it.
You got it?
Uh-huh.
Did you know that the green papaya has awesome digestive enzymes?
Ooh, I love
So
that.
that's also why it's one of the things that people will always kind of have at their dinner table or lunch table, along with everything else. You know what we did forget to put in?
Oh, we have to, yeah. You can still sprinkle a little bit. Yeah.
It is all good.
Those are not for the faint of heart.
No, I can already smell it.
Our breath is gonna be kicking.
Yeah.
But at least we'll kick to each other.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the fat kind because I want the extra
I want you
crunch.
to see if how you like the crunch. Oh, I hear it.
Oh, good. So good. Oh, good.
Okay, I made it really good.
She made it really good.
We're now gonna move on to fried rice.
I love it. We would take the rice that was left over from last night, and then my mom would dump it in the wok, put oil, throw in vegetables, egg, whatever, and that was the meal for the next day.
Did you say you didn't know how to cook?
I love watching other people cook,
Oh, me too.
but I don't like actually doing it myself.
Not me too.
Actually, I prefer to drink a glass of wine while watching other people cook.
Okay.
And going, yeah, that looks nice. Promise me you're never gonna tell my husband that I know how to cook.
No, we're just
because
gonna
this
put
whole
it-
time I've been telling him that I don't know how to cook. If I make something on a rare occasion, I'll make sure to put some eggshell in it. And he's like, oh my God, what is this?
So smart.
You know, when I empty
love
the
you.
dishwasher, I make sure to break a dish.
Love
And then
that.
he's like, you know what? Just leave it for me. Just leave. And I'm like, okay, sorry. I'm so unable to do anything.
Okay,
and then
am
I go
learning
drink my
so
wine.
much right now. I'm learning so
Should we
much
get some
right
wine?
now. We should.
Let me go get some wine. Yes. We have it in close proximity.
Yay!
May I interest you in some 3 Moons Sauvignon Blanc?
Yes,
From
please.
Napa.
Oh my goodness.
Made by esteemed winemaker Tiffany Moon.
Tell me more.
Oh, so we started 3 Moons when my husband and I were in Napa in 2008. No, 2009 was our first vintage. So we started with a cab. So we've had our cab for 10 years. And my husband makes the cab. And I was like, I want to make wine too. It's fun. You go to harvest, you get to like crush the grapes and watch it come out. And so then I wanted to make a white wine, which my husband doesn't really drink white wine. It's like New Zealand style. It's crisp,
Oh,
fresh,
my
like
favorite.
melon, grapefruit. And I
Perfect
like
for
it
this
cold.
dish. Me too.
I hate warm wine. Yeah. Yeah.
I love that.
So normally my husband cooks and I go pick, I'm the som.
Oh.
He's the chef and I'm the sommelier.
Okay.
Yeah.
My soul is so happy right now.
Yes.
Cheers. Beautiful.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Crisp, right?
Yes.
Good
crisp,
acidity.
Right. Perfect. Like I'm already thinking like
It's
the
perfect
sauce.
with this kind
Yes.
of food.
I gotta take another sip.
We'll be back. Please stand by. Okay, shall we cook now?
Yes. I feel like I'm just gonna. I really am just gonna stay on wine.
This is gonna be a very boring episode. Actually, if we drink more wine, it might
wine.
get interesting.
But this is not wine. This is like a beautifully labeled vegetable oil. So what I'm deciding to do as I stand here is put a lot of oil in because I'm gonna fry an egg first.
Oh.
Let's fire this baby up. You know how to use this thing.
For hot pot, not for
cooking.
not for
Okay, let's turn it on.
for hot pot. You just put the water on and wait till it boils and start adding things. That's my level of cooking.
I feel like I need to take over putting the egg in.
Yeah, I
Like,
feel
you
like
have, like,
see,
stepped back.
I'm just doing my
Yes.
social distancing from the wok.
I can see that. Okay. I'm like I can read your body language, so oil's down.
So pretty.
It is so pretty.
Oh yeah, when it starts doing that,
Yep.
I'm like, no.
She's like,
This is where my cooking ends.
so now since we have
So pretty.
it is so pretty.
It's a fluffy egg.
Yeah, and so this is called kai dao in Thai, and kai means egg, dao means a star, because it kind of resembles like a star in a way.
Yeah.
You could come in like maybe 6 more inches. I think you'll be safe.
It's like medium heat. Yeah.
Yeah, medium heat.
So pretty.
Beautiful. Now that our egg is beautifully set aside,
Yes.
we're gonna get into the fried rice.
I love it.
So I took half of the oil out. Are you more comfortable with this situation?
Yes.
Okay. I like to start with garlic.
And then swish it around with
got
this one or the wood one?
Either one.
Oh,
Which one you wanna do?
I don't know. I just do what I'm told.
You are.
I'm really good at following directions.
You are.
Onion, good.
And then for about 10 seconds or so, we're releasing all the aroma.
Uh-huh.
Make it beautiful. I'm gonna just add back a little bit of oil.
Oh yeah, it like ate up all the oil.
It did ate up a lot of oil. And since this is a fried rice, cauliflower fried rice, technically still all vegetable, we can just start putting it all in together.
Okay.
So we have cauliflower that's been chopped up.
Oh,
No bag necessary.
no more wine for you.
No more wine for me.
You're cut off.
I have to ask you, I get the Asian flush.
Yes, so do I. We're gonna get progressively redder now
Yes.
as it goes on. Do you wanna know the scientific
Yes.
basis for
And
that?
how do I prevent it? I mean, I've
Can't
gone
prevent
a
it.
long way without.
Can't prevent it. Science 101, children. Everybody has 2 copies of the enzyme to metabolize aldehyde dehydrogenase. You either have big A or little a. Big A is like normal, good. And little a is like heterozygous, like the small allele. Oh yeah, cook and talk.
Yes,
this
thank
is
you.
a lot. This is like cook, talk,
Cook,
drink,
talk.
explain science.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Multitasking to the
If you
max.
have 2 small copies,
Okay.
those people are like allergic to alcohol.
Okay, so my
they
dad's
can't
allergic.
Right. And it's Asian people because it's, genetics.
Okay.
If you have 1 big A and 1 little a, you're like, okay, like us, like we flush. But like not
Oh,
like
we don't
like
get-
throw up, like
No.
turn purple, like
No.
they don't even want to drink.
Yes.
And then if you're have 2 big A's, you're white.
Oh man.
It's a genetics lesson.
This is so cool.
Yeah, so me and you are like big A, little a. And then my friend, she's like little a, little a. She doesn't even touch alcohol.
can't.
No, she'll like throw up.
You're great at multitasking.
Some days yes, some days no. What's that?
This is, I'm gonna use the gluten-free stir-fry sauce.
Ooh.
And as the vegetables are kind of like beautifully half cooked, so I'm watching them as you are
How do you
chatting with
tell
me.
when it's cooked?
So right now, I think it's like at halfway.
Uh-huh.
It can go like super mushy real fast, right? It can start also releasing a lot of liquid, which we don't want. And sometimes when you add sodium or salt to it, it'll start like liquefying the vegetables. So right now it's still very dry,
Yeah.
but we're gonna bring out all those flavors by adding a little bit of salt to it, bring out the sweetness of all the veggies that we added. So as you are doing a beautiful job, I'm just gonna add,
Stirring.
keep stirring.
Oh.
Yes. You're gonna be like, wait, that's it? Like, this is it.
No, this is perfect.
Well, that looks beautiful.
Smells so good.
It does smell so good. You ready to turn the fire off?
Yeah.
Only in the walk, not in your life.
No, we have sexy time candle for that.
Oh. And then like that beautiful egg that we made earlier. I'm gonna top that.
So pretty.
That's so pretty. That's for you.
Thank you.
Smells so good. How's that? So
Delicious.
awesome?
Sorry,
Yes.
I'm just eating.
You just eat away. Make sure that you need to subscribe as we're gonna go on to our next recipe. You want to be notified, so click on that bell, subscribe, share. I would love to know what else you would put in your cauliflower fried rice. It's just one of those things like you can just add anything to it. So until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye.